Hey everyone, and welcome to a new video. It's been a while since I've made one of these talking in car vlogs, except this time around it's gonna be a little bit different. For starters, I'm not driving. My car is just stationary, parked here, but judging by the title of this video, I think you know what is gonna happen. So in this video, I'll be unboxing my brand new helmet. But first, I'm gonna need to get the box. It's actually behind my seat, so 1 second. Okay, so here is the box which the helmet came in. As you can see, it's quite big, and I'm gonna be honest, I'm not sure if this is the best idea to unbox my helmet in the driver's seat because, you know, steering wheel and all. This is one of those times where quick release steering wheel would come in handy, but I doubt people who get those quick release steering wheels would ever get a quick release steering wheel for the purpose of having more space to do an unboxing video. But anyway, I think I can push back my chair a bit more, so give me a second. Okay, this is as far as it will go, so I think I have enough space. I'll work with what I have here. Okay, so while unboxing this new helmet of mine, I think I'm just gonna talk about a few things in general, which is for starters, why did I choose to do an unboxing video inside my car instead of in the comforts of my own home or in my own room where I have, like, you know, more space at least. So basically, I don't have the best of setups at home to do an unboxing for something this large. I mean, sure, I have the the microphone mount, which I have used to do previous unboxing videos, as you can see on various videos on my channel where I do unboxing. But I don't think the microphone stand will can raise high enough for me to put my phone on to give an overhead view of the unboxing progress, because this thing is actually huge. As a matter of fact, I did attempt the same thing before when I got a new monitor to use, and the box hardly fit in the frame of my phone. So yeah, this is why I'm opting to do the unboxing here. So here's the first look at the helmet. Ooh, very nice. Helmets. Now, if you're wondering where I got this helmet, I actually have been looking for helmets for quite a while. Ever since a particular event that I missed out back in 2019. So, I expressed my interest in looking for a helmet to some friends of mine who own helmets already. So a good friend of mine, Irfan, he suggested that I should check out Greenbelt Stream, GBS for short, where they sell quite a variety of helmets for a good price. Now, I did survey their shops quite a while back, but my budget wasn't according. The helmets weren't within my budget to purchase the helmet I wanted there and then. But recently, GBS, they made a post on their social medias where some line of helmets were on sale, and the one I got here, it was 30% off, I think. So from 400 ringgit, the price was brought down to 280 ringgit or so, I think. I'll just put the image here. And I didn't buy the helmet directly from them. I went to their shop on Shopee. So when the 6th June sale rolled around, I had a 10% off voucher. So combining that 10% voucher with the original discount by GBS, I managed to get it at an even lower price. So yeah, finally managed to get a helmet for myself. So without further ado, enough delay, here is the helmet, the box at least. It's quite nice actually. As you can see the branding, careful not to drop this. Zeus helmet, I hope you guys can see it. Quite the nice box. And where's that sticker I saw earlier? Okay, here it is. So here is the model of the helmet, which is the GJ813 black AN29 green size M. So without further ado, let's open it up. I've seen the design, but I haven't seen the helmet in person. I didn't even go to the store to try. I just measured the size of the helmet using like a piece of rope on my head to get the measurements. But yeah, here it is. Let me try to pull this thing out without dropping it on the ground to ruin its integrity before I manage even to use it. Okay, so I'll put the box outside where there's more space. And here it is, wrapped in nice layer of bubble wrap. Will you look at that? It's a very nice cover too. Zeus helmet. I like it. Before that, I think I saw a piece of paper in the box, which is the owner's manual. Very nice. So, it's time to open it. Ooh, I'm so excited. This is my first helmet, really. So I think it's very interesting. Ooh, we get a first look at the inside. Quite nice, quite nice. I see a lot of ventilation holes. You can't see it on camera because it's like too dark. But ooh, look at that! Look at the color! It's so nice. It matches the lining on my car. Oh, wow! Voila! There it is. My brand new helmet. My first helmet, as a matter of fact. And it has quite some nice details to it as well. Apart from the Zeus branding at the front, on the left and right sides, it has a Bunga Raya graphic on the back, which I think is a pretty nice touch. On the images, I thought it was white, but it's actually silver and white, which is quite a nice touch. And of course, Sepang Circuit graphic at the top of the helmet. I think it looks really cool. Hope to drive there someday with my car, of course. I've been there as a passenger, but haven't bought this car yet. Hopefully in the future. So overall, I don't know. I don't have the words to say. I'm actually quite speechless. Like, it's quite nice. It's sort of a belated birthday gift for me, but as long as I have it, it's pretty cool. Quite a lot of things to learn and get used to. I see some, what was it, lock, unlock. So I believe this would be to unlock the visor. Okay, so that is the switch to open. I really don't want to break anything. So let me try to figure things out. Maybe I should read the owner's manual before I tamper with anything else. But I really want to try to get the visor open at least. Oh, okay, it just needs a bit more push. I was worried on breaking this thing because he didn't want to budge at first. Okay, so it opens that much. Oh, it looks so cool. So here is the strap at the bottom. I think I should do a test fit. Well, not really a test fit because like this is the actual thing. I'll be using it, but I'm gonna put it on for the first time. So I'm gonna remove my glasses first. I'll put this aside. And here we go. It's quite a snug fit, I must say. But I guess it's good. At least it won't shake around. So it's only gonna move how I move. And then time to slide my glasses in. And yeah, here we go. Nice. It is quite a snug fit. So let me just put this out. Take it off my head for a moment. I don't think I'll need to wear a balaclava for this one because it might get tighter, but it'll do. It's so nice. It's very pretty. So if you haven't guessed already, I got this particular design because the color matches the lining I got for my car, and the color combo is, in general, it's pretty nice. Of course, with the Sepang Circuit graphic and also the Bunga Raya is an added bonus as well. Now, about that event I mentioned earlier. So back in 2019, 2018, if I'm not mistaken, Prodo actually hosted track day event, quote unquote track day event, where they invited like I'm not sure if it was just specifically MyV owners or Produa owners in general, but it was a free track day event, and only requirements was that one particular requirement that I remember was that you needed to have a helmet if you wanted to join and drive your car on Sepang circuit. So at the time, I did not have a helmet. I tried to reach out to a few friends that might have a helmet for me to borrow and bring to or borrow for that particular event. But unfortunately, I ran out of time and was not able to secure a helmet, so I was pretty bummed out. That was the main reason why I wasn't able to make it to that track event, and to this day, kind of disappointed I didn't make it. But oh well, it is what it is. Next time, maybe in the near future. I mean, that was one of the main reasons lah. The other reason why I wouldn't have made it was because I had a parenting class on that day, but I'd be willing to skip that class for a free track day event at Sepang. So yeah, now that I have a helmet, not having a helmet would not be an excuse for me to miss out on a track event no more. Yeah, I have a helmet now. So another feature I forgot to show you guys of the helmet was that while the lid might be slightly tinted, it's not 100% clear, this helmet does come with a secondary visor. Let me just show you. So on the side here, there's this switch where if I push it upwards, boom, lens, built-in sunglasses for the helmet essentially. So I think it's a pretty nice addition. Perhaps if I were to go karting in a rather sunny area, this would come in handy, but I don't think I'll be using it for most of the time. So yeah, I think that sums it up for this unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's been a while since I made one of these, and I'm quite happy with how the helmet looks. It's really nice. I like the colors. It's just how I imagine it to be. So I hope I'll be able to utilize this helmet well for either go-kart sessions or track outings maybe in the near future. So yeah, I think that's all for this video. Leave a like if you like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time.